everyone, Ashley here with Chevrolet of Everett, home of the free oil changes, warranty for life, and of course that better experience. Today I'd like to highlight the 2022 Colorado, specifically the 2022 Colorado with the Z71 package. This is an off-road package that Chevrolet has released. It's going to include an upgraded suspension with leveling kit, rear locking differentials, duratrac tires, and a working skid plate underneath. Let's take a look. Safety has always been a top priority, and it doesn't stop with the newly designed 2022 Colorado. Every single one of these Colorados will have a high-def backup camera, but on this specific truck, they've actually paired that with the rear park assist. But here at Chevrolet of Everett, we had to take it a step farther. We've added on the GM tonneau cover, all-weather floor liners, and decked this truck out with black decals. The available tow package, combined with the 3.42 rear axle ratio, going to handle all of your off-road needs, but also all of your towing and hauling needs as well. Off-roading was not Chevrolet's only concern. As always, they have not let us down. All of the newest technology at the touch of your finger or the turn of your key. Gotta love it. With remote entry and remote starting, you will always be getting into a comfortable vehicle. It will actually sense the outside temperature and adjust accordingly. Loaded with OnStar, 4G LTE hotspot, Bluetooth, Apple Android CarPlay, and now app access so you can control your entire truck from your handheld device. Pretty impressive. Very quickly, I would like to point out a couple key features that I've noticed here in the cab of the Colorado. One being the charging ports for every passenger. You also have a vent for every passenger. The newly upgraded leather interior, so that you've got a nice quality material. Backsliding window, upgraded center console with cup holders for your passengers. My favorite has got to be the storage compartment and the adjustable headrest. As always, thank you for your time. Ashley here with Chevrolet of Everett, home of the better experience. Please remember to like and subscribe. Come on down and say hi. See you soon.